Good evening, everyone. I now cordially invite Professor Sudhanshu Shekhar Chakraborty, President of Calcutta Presidency College Alumni Association, Delhi, and Nobel Laureate and our alumnus, Professor Amartya, with another of our distinguished alumni, Dr. Bikas Sanyal, to come on stage.
Very good evening, Professor Amartya, Professor Bikas Sanyal, and the very distinguished invitee, alumni, friends, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. It's a great occasion. We are celebrating today our Foundation Day, Foundation Program for Delhi Calcutta Presidency College Alumni.
Amartya, dear Presidentians, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I am honored and humbled for being asked to introduce to this august gathering the best known Indian of today in the academic world. Dear Professor Sen, please excuse me if I fail to present you correctly in the way you deserve. You were born in Shantiniketan, West Bengal, to Ashutosh Sen and Amita Sen. Rabindranath Tagore gave you the name Amartya, which literally means immortal. Your family was from Owari and Manikganj, Dhaka, both in present-day Bangladesh.
Quoting me, I think that Tapas, my life would have gone very differently, but for knowing him, being taught by him. He was about 6 years older than Sukumar and Nash in the same class. So he was a young teacher, but he had really had a profound teaching impact, but also quite rapidly became a friend. He used to live in Dover Lane, and I remember dropping by quite often. I was then staying at the YMCA hostel in Metrovada. So it was quite a long journey that you could take and go there. I think Tapas might have been surprised how frequently I came there. But he was very tolerant, and so was his mother. And we talked about a great many things, not just economics. It was a wonderful time in Presidency College at that time, certainly, as has been true at other times as well. I was very lucky. Presidency College had utterly excellent teaching, economics among them, but not just economics. I think of learning tremendous amount from listening to Susuran Babu, Susuran Sarkar in history, and other teachers, some of which continue to, the discussions continue to influence my thinking today. In fact, I was lucky to have Susuran Sarkar also as a colleague at Jadavpur University in the period that you were referring to. And next year in May, I'm giving something called Eric Hobsbawm lecture at the Hay Festival, dealing with the contemporary relevance of Marxian theory. A critical assessment, actually, and some of the things that I discussed with Susuran Babu as a student first in Presidency and later in Jadavpur certainly comes back to me. Am I still more or less audible? Because I keep hearing myself a second time, but you're not. You're seeing the only ones. Okay, good. If Presidency College was a great place for teaching and research, it was also, of course, a great place for economics teaching in particular. And there were a number of very good teachers. We think particularly of